Welcome to the future of passive income. Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind the fastest-growing channels on YouTube, the world of YouTube automation. You're about to discover the Faceless fortune, a system where videos are created, optimized, and monetized without you ever needing to show your face. This isn't about luck. It's about a viral 5-step blueprint. Imagine generating consistent, high-paying revenue streams 24/7, even while you sleep. This is the promise of automated content creation when done correctly. We're talking about systems that scale faster than traditional YouTube. The core of our strategy is the 5-step viral blueprint, a proven framework designed to exploit low-competition, high RPM niches. Skip the crowded vlogging space and target the high-value audience. Ready to build your digital empire? Let's dive into Step 1. Step 1 is the foundation: niche selection mastery. This is where most channels fail before they even start. We don't chase trends. We hunt for evergreen profitability. The secret sauce is focusing on niches with a high RPM revenue per mil. Think complex B2B topics, professional finance, or specialized software. These audiences have high advertiser value, meaning your income potential is amplified exponentially. The two highest performing niches right now? AI SaaS tools and digital finance. Viewers in these spaces are affluent, searching for solutions, and highly receptive to affiliate offers. Your automation is now aimed directly at high-value viewers. Step 2. Content optimization and scripting. A mediocre video with perfect optimization will always outperform a brilliant video with poor optimization. We engineer for virality. This involves a meticulously crafted viral script formula, structured around problem, solution, and high-energy delivery. More critically, we implement SEO engineering, targeting low-competition keywords with massive search volume. A perfectly automated channel starts with a perfectly optimized script. The script is the blueprint for your automation team, ensuring every video hits the key retention metrics. Now for the engine room. Blueprint Step 3, the production automation stack. This is where you replace manual labor with systems and specialized teams. The Faceless workflow relies on integrating AI tools for quick draft generation, then outsourcing the complex editing and voiceovers. Your role shifts from creator to strategic manager, overseeing the automated pipeline. Efficiency is your currency. Spend less time creating, more time scaling. A well-oiled production stack minimizes your involvement, maximizing your passive return. Step 4 is where we turn views into massive profit, monetization beyond ads. AdSense is just the baseline. The real money is made through strategic positioning. For high RPM niches, the focus shifts to affiliate marketing for AI SaaS tools and financial services, securing high-value sponsorships, and selling your own digital assets like courses or templates. Each video becomes a profit center. True automation success means diversifying income streams beyond just AdSense. This strategic layering ensures stability and maximizes profitability, regardless of algorithm changes. The final step: iteration and scale. This is the difference between a successful channel and a multi-channel digital empire. We must be ruthless with data. Analyze your analytics religiously. Which videos hit the watch time targets? Which thumbnails drove the highest center? Use this data to refine your scripts and production process. Then, use outsourcing to multiply your content output without sacrificing quality. Scale is not a destination. It's a process of constant refinement based on data. Embrace the feedback loop, and your channel will evolve into a truly unstoppable asset. You now possess the Faceless Fortune 5-step viral blueprint. From identifying high RPM niches to automating production and diversifying monetization, the path to passive income is clear. Remember: niche, optimize, automate, monetize, and scale. These steps are your new roadmap to financial freedom through YouTube automation. Don't just watch success stories, become one. Start building your automated channel today. Subscribe for more cutting-edge automation strategies.